Hello everyone, I am Preeti Prasanna Prabhu from first year CSBS. My startup company is Chronocraft. Product's present name is Identity Card. Product proposed name is Identity Wristband. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Integration of smart card technology for multifunctional use, fingerprint sensor, identity wristbands with additional smart features, personal details engraved with a laser to prevent alteration. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name identity card, futuristic product name identity wristbands. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. To introduce microprocessor chip with dual interface module, to introduce microcontroller integrated chips, adding magnetic strips to store data that can be read by swipe card readers. Multi-layer construction is introduced to implement multiple layers of materials fused together, each containing differently security features. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.